Okay, so I have a quick unboxing here. New technology. Everybody sees these probably on Amazon. And these are the True Wires headset, new technology. I don't know the name of them. There's no name. Right there. ROHS. Made in China. So True Wires Stereo Sport headset. And it's got a built-in mic, voice prompt, head stereo or HD stereo, and ear design, power display, stereo, music, charging box, wireless, and wireless 5.0. So wireless up to 10 meters. The reviews on this set was almost 5 stars, and there was like probably over 700 people that made a review on this. They said they were awesome, they sound good. So I figured I'd give them a try. You can't go wrong for 25 bucks, and if they don't work for me, I'll send them back to Amazon. Let's just open them up really quick and have a quick look. They also had other sets on there that was 56 bucks. And I figured, well, 5 stars on these. And they said they're waterproof and all that. So inside you get the extra earpieces. You get a charging cable, which is quite small. It's probably only 2 feet. And then you get your little booklet. I imagine it's in French, English, and China. Inside here you get, it's quite heavy actually, the headset itself. Yeah, so that's the name of them. Right there. Yellier or something? I don't know. So let's just open this up really quick and have a look. So there's the headset, the wireless headsets. I imagine they're magnetized. You get your charge port for the back. You also have a USB right there. So it's probably the micro USB charge and USB charge. And it's just nothing on back. Made in China. It's quite heavy, the case. These were 28 milliamp, I think. 2800 milliamp. So let's pull the earpiece out. There's a little charge port on the back. And they just, as soon as you pull them out, see they're ready to pair. And there you go. I just removed one, so the charge box is at 91%. They're charging. So we'll see how this little set works for me. You can see the name right there. You can go look on Amazon for them. A lot of people have bought these and left a really good review. They said they had really good bass, and they sounded really good. So I said, well, one guy had said he purchased a set of these and they're waterproof. The sweat didn't bother them at all. They had a good range for the Bluetooth. So we'll just see. We'll see how they work. I'm going to charge these up. I'm going to use them for today, and then I'll give you my honest review on the sound anyway. Later reviews if anything happens to them and what happened to them. So if you guys are interested in that, and you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to ask and I'll reply. But I'll use these for today and tomorrow, and I'll do my honest opinion of a good review on these things. So thanks for watching, you guys.